Hey, what's up, friends? Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas Day. Just gave my bike a bath, nice and clean, my Darth Vader. And then I also took the opportunity to clean the Stormtrooper. Oh yeah, and also my bike over there. And my son's got a new little Darth Vader bike for Christmas. Yippee! So today's video, I just wanted to quickly talk about, putting my finger in front of the lens. That's what I want to talk about. This mount thing. So if you've seen some of my other videos, I've just put this old iPhone here with the BMW logo. But it's just a bit of a gripe here with BMW. I don't know. I mean, BMW is well known for their engineering and all that good stuff. But whoever thought this was a good idea to put a GPS mount on the handlebars should have thought twice about that. Two reasons. One, it blocks, most importantly, it blocks their logo. Like, why would you do that? That's Harley owners, they want people to know they have a Harley. They want to see that they have a Harley. It's part of the lifestyle. BMW, same thing. All these name brand bikes that are, cool, whatever motorcycle you buy, you want to see it. So why would you block it? That's one thing. Second one is it's where it's positioned. You have to look, when you're riding, you have to look actually down. You have to tilt your head down and your eyes to look at the GPS if you need to use it, which is not that safe. I've relocated mine up here on a quad lock, so my phone, I'm using my phone right now to film this, so I can't do that, but can't show you. But let me get this guy out. Of course, my phone's bigger. This is an old iPhone 6. So my phone sits like here. So it's in this position, it's higher up. I can see it with a quick glance. It's a lot better. Then the other option, and the main point of this video today, is the relocation mount, which a lot of people that have GS or, let me move around over here, GS or RS or, any other bike that would fit, have a repositioning bracket. There's a few companies that make them, and it goes, puts the GPS mount up here, which is, perfect. Then you can just look straight down at it. You don't need to tilt your head down, take your eyes off the road as much. So if any of you were watching this have done the relocation mount, let me know what brand you have and if you like it, any quirks about it. I'm gonna, after this, I'm gonna show a video of my friend Chuck over in Houston that just recently repositioned his. I'll put the brand name up on there and all that stuff, and the price from a German company, and enjoy his video, a quick video of his new mount. And then I'm in the comment section, I'm gonna link a couple different people I've seen with different brands mounting, showing you how to mount it. And anyone that has those brands, let me know which ones are cool. I think the one I kind of like, because it's black and it would match my scheme, my color scheme better, is the Moto. I think it's called Moto Mate. So I don't know, but that's not high on my list, but I do want to get rid of this at some point. And then as a result of this, of course, BMW came out with their new connected ride Cradle, which I just saw on Revzilla for $400. I don't know why it's $400. I heard in Europe it was 200 and change, or something like that. But anyways, either way, it's very expensive. But the cool thing is, I guess you can use your phone and the Wonder Wheel thing here, the Whiz Wheel here, to control it, which is kind of cool. And it's wireless charging. So I don't know, I'll think about that. Down the road, I do want to get a mount and relocate that. If I end up buying the official BMW Cradle, or if I buy, there's, this Cradle was on, this isn't wireless, obviously it has USB on it, but there is a wireless one that my friend Chuck has. I think it's about $70 online, and it's wireless charging. And it also has different color schemes in the middle here. And it's and it says Motorrad there, I think, I don't know if it's his BMW, but so I know I'm gonna figure that out in the months to come. But I don't know, engineers at BMW should have done a better job with this. Putting this mount, it should have came custom here or came with a tour package that, you know, already goes there. I don't know, there's enough griping. Anyways, Merry Christmas again. Enjoy the video from Chuck, and check out those other YouTubers that show their mounts and how they put them on. I like to give credit to those people because I watched those videos a few times, and just, you know, gives me a good idea about those mounts and what's involved in installing them, how they look after they're installed, etc. But yeah, look forward to hearing from you if you have them out. And that's it. Take care. See you later.
Hey Jeff, how's it going? Here's the video that I promised of my new GPS relocation mount. And so as you can see here, this is going to be sitting higher and forward of the TFT screen. As you can see that. So here's kind of a good side view of it. And right now the windscreen is in the highest position. So one of the things I had to do was make some adjustments to the actual mounting brackets that are back here. So let me kind of give you this view. So from this angle, got a little bit of glare here. Maybe that's better. You can see the silver bracket, mounting bracket that attaches again over here to the standoff. Okay, you can see where it's bolted on there. Kind of a further out view right here. And then again, coming back in closer. So we got the silver bracket. Sandwich on top of that is the Zuma bracket. And then you'll see where the actual BMW GPS Cradle connects to it. So this might be a really good shot here. So you can use this. Now if you follow the cable, so if we're looking at the cable, it comes out of the GPS mount, and then I just have it tie wrapped here to that bracket. Okay, follow the cable down, and this is one of the BMW rubberized wire binders. Okay, so I use one there. Following the cable down, you can see it goes back behind the TFT. Kind of look at it from this side. Okay, so there it is behind the TFT screen, and it goes down below, comes out of the TFT screen, and then you can see it rejoins its original wire bundle there with another rubberized tie wrap. Coming back down underneath, you can see the cable. That's the one zip tie that I added right on top, which of course is this guy. Okay, and if you follow it down a little bit further, you can actually see the impression or the mark of the original zip tie, which is going to be right here. Okay, so that's the one I cut off, the original one. This is the one I added on, and that gave me enough slack in the cable right here to be able to kind of stretch it out, if you will, and then get it to where it could fit back behind the TFT. So when you're riding, of course, all that is kind of transparent to you. You really don't see it. But hopefully this is helpful and will help you with your video of adding this bracket on. Oh, something else I want to point out, a couple things. Okay, the original windscreen, okay, like I said, right now it's in the full up position. If I go full down on this, you'll see it actually physically makes some contact right here in the corner of mine. Now I purposely did that in order to get the correct angle that I needed up and away, because when you're sitting on the bike, and again, you know, me being a shorter rider at 5'7", when I'm sitting on the bike, if I have this turned down too low, it covers up the top about ½ inch of the TFT. So by turning it upward, okay, this allows me to have full visibility of the TFT while having my phone installed here. So that's one thing. The second thing is whenever the mounting screws, now of course this is an add-on piece that I have here, but the 4 mounting screws that are directly behind this, they all have a little nut that just kind of sits inside of the GPS holder. Those little 4 nuts, one of them fell out and I was not able to recover it. Luckily I have a box of spares, so I had one that actually fit perfectly. But pay attention to not dropping those little nuts that sit in the actual GPS device itself. All right, so that is my tip. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, let me know. Take care, man.